You are lucky, Fatima. Otherwise, you'll be eating that fly. Yucky! Thank you, Amani. Next time, I will remember to cover my mouth while yawning. And don't forget to say, AuzuBillah minasyaitanirrajim, so that evil won't enter your body. Oops! Oopsie! Okay, friends, let's recap what we are learning today.
A'udzu billahi minash syaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from shaitan and the accursed one.
Goodbye. See you next time.